My name is Valerie, and I am a clinical coordinator at DaVita. I've been with DaVita for January will be 9 years. I came right out of nursing school. I've always been interested in dialysis. My mom had some kidney issues, so that's kind of what sparked my interest while I was in nursing school. And then I also had a family friend who was a facility administrator, and he spoke very highly of the company and loves his job. He's still with DaVita. As a CC, you are also typically a charge nurse as well. So we are kind of the building block, or it's a balancing act where you're charging on your patients, which I think gives you the full picture of what's going on with your patients. And then as the CC, you are overseeing all of the clinical outcomes, their labs, their vitals, making sure that the team's following policy and procedure and we're being compliant. We are gonna go talk to one of our nurses and get some results on some cultures that we took, some blood cultures and some urine cultures. Hey, Donovan.
Hey, what's up?
I was just checking to see if you had Mr. Singh's results for his blood culture, urine culture. So we do homerooms with our teams. We try to do them on a daily to weekly basis just to discuss any findings that may need improvement. We do them over our audits and we review policies on a regular basis. The hours are tough, and I think you don't really realize that until you step into the role. It can be difficult, but I always try to tell myself, you're getting up in the middle of the night, but so are these patients who have an end-stage disease. So is it really that bad? It's not. Okay, we're gonna go talk to one of our patients today. He has a new access and they had some issues. So we're gonna talk to him about what the next steps will be when he goes to see his surgeon. Hello, Mr. Darden.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Can you hear me okay?
I
With
can
your
hear you.
headphones on?
I
Okay.
can
Balancing patient care and leadership administrative duties is just kind of making sure that you're allocating your time and dedicating enough time towards each thing. So I try to plan my week in advance just to make sure like, okay, I know I'm on the floor these days, and then I dedicate time solely to going over the administrative things. For instance, we do our monthly meetings with the doctors, so I typically have that kind of planned out in advance. I haven't met a patient yet that wants to be on dialysis, and you can just see they're sad. You know, it's a lot to take on. It's a lot of information. So the fulfillment that I get is seeing them morph into the happy patients that we have. I like to make this process as easy as I can for them. I don't want them to dread coming to dialysis. I want them to be like, hey, I get to go to dialysis today. And even though I may not feel the greatest, they're gonna make me smile, and somebody cares about me, and somebody's gonna talk to me, and they know that we're here for them.